Hi everyone, it's me Lord Hoc Sĩ Lân and I am from ARIZON School Siem campus and I am 12 years old. I study in level L2 and I want to tell you that I am very happy and excited for the competition on Saturday in Phnom Penh. I want to tell you that I have been working very hard even though it's very stressful on my public speaking competition, and I am very thankful for you guys for letting me compete in the competition of public speaking final round. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Liu Cheng and I'm 10 years old. I learned 3 languages in ARIZON Siem campus, and I just want to tell you that I'm working very hard and very excited for the next coming competition, and I will do my best for the competition. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is HOEUN. I am a trilingual student in ARIZON Siem campus. I am 15 years old and I'm really excited to compete in the final round at Phnom Penh, and I will try my best to get a better result. Thank you for listening and goodbye.
Hello everyone, my name is Siem. I am a trilingual student in ARIZON Siem School and I'm 12 years old. I just want to tell you I feel so excited to compete in the public speaking competition at Phnom Penh. Thank you.